Hi everybody, it's Julie. Just a reminder, we're only 9 days away. 8 days away, sorry. 8 days away from the deadline for the Just Junk Journal Challenge. Now, if this is the first time you've heard about the Just Junk Journal Challenge, there's still time for you to participate. So what we're doing is we're making a junk journal just out of junk. We do have... I have help today. Midnight is here. She just jumped on my shoulders. And anyway, there are rules, and the way that you can find out about that is by watching the Just Junk Journal Challenge details video and then joining us in the Facebook group so that you have a more of an idea of what we're doing, what we're expecting. I'm going to give you a look at these in just a moment. This one's finished. This one's a work in progress. Say hi to Midnight. Yeah, it's what I wanted. I wanted a kitty that would be right in the middle of everything, and she is. Excuse me. So, 8 days. January 30th is the deadline. It's actually anytime January 30th, just by the time we get up on January 31st. So, yeah, so there is a participation prize. We'll be having a virtual participation party, and there are already some gifts that I've given in the group, and lots of great ideas. I mean, amazing ideas. It is amazing what you can do with what other people would throw away. So the idea for this challenge is to put it out there for those that may not be able to just go and buy every new thing or have every tool. This journal, the parameters of this, making this journal was to help open up the minds of those out there that really want to make one but don't think that they have what is needed. So I hope you'll join us over at the Junk Journal Challenge group on Facebook, and that you will participate in the Just Junk Journal Challenge. So it's the Just Junk Journal Challenge Facebook group. It is, like I said, it's amazing what you can make out of junk. So we'll show you, this one's made out of an Irish Spring box, Irish Spring soap, and binding thread, crochet thread. This is a painting thing. There are video flip-throughs of this. So you have little papers that you can write on. There are pockets and tucks and a miniature guest check here. Postage stamps give you great texture. This is the directions on how to use, or instructions on how to use a remote control car. This is from the inside of Sunset Magazine. And so all kinds of little things. So the front and back papers for this were from a notepad, the back of the notepad. So there's that. And then this is the one I'm working on now. It's a traveler's notebook style. I used a calendar for the front. It was a calendar from Michael's last year or the year before. This was our calendar that we used in our radio room. So I've used, a lottery ticket. This is from a magazine. Crepe paper, tissue paper. This is a copy reject. This is from some sheets. All kinds of things in here. This is an envelope. Said, please do not bend, from something that I ordered. A stamp. This is one of the little things from Starbucks from a long time ago, and it was in my throwaway box. This was lines made out of cardboard. More calendar pages. I love the look of these. This is an envelope that I used in one of my drawings. And so I used hemp string because it was colorful. All this rainbow stuff, this came from paper. Was this big stripe. There's stamping because you get to pick one stamp. This was a gift bag. And this was from some writing paper. So you'll get it to see a full flip through of this. The stickers are from Habitat for Humanity, one of those batches that they send in the mail. I did take out of the magazine that I chose, they had these puzzles. And so I took the puzzles, and then the answers are right here. Answers, and I'm going to fix that up a little bit more. I haven't been working on embellishments yet. So, yeah. So there you go. All kinds of things that you can use. And so watch for there's a couple more tutorials coming. How to use a magazine, how to use a calendar, and stamping in a journal. And this is a scarf. This is from a scarf that was going to the Goodwill. Well, heck, I think it's making a much better comeback on my thing there. So, again, 8 days, January 30th, your Just Junk Journal Challenge. You'll be able to make any type of journal that you want, but you'll be doing it in some parameters. Like you get to use one book, one discarded book, one discarded magazine, or one calendar, and you can use one calendar and one magazine. You get to use one type of scissors. You get to use any tape, any glue. What else? You can use your sewing machine with two thread colors. You get to use a binding kit and several other things. So you'll want to go check that out. Watch the the Just Junk Journal Challenge details. That will be in the description down below. Join the Facebook group, Just Junk Journal Challenge Facebook group. And we'll see you there. So how many are finished and how many are looking forward to taking this challenge? Several people are on their second, their third, and we have somebody thinking about doing their fourth. Anyway, find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for being here. Have a great day. Bye. Midnight says bye too.